Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself searching for the perfect social media icons to use in your Figma project, but didn't want to go through the hassle of downloading and importing files from outside sources, this quick guide is exactly what you need. Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to get free social media icons right inside Figma, using built-in plugins. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to grab quality icons in just a few clicks and add them straight into your designs, all without leaving Figma. Let's jump straight in. First things first, go ahead and open up Figma. If you're already working on a project, great, just make sure you're in the file where you want to add your icons. If not, start a new design file. Having your workspace ready before you start really saves you time and helps keep everything organized. Next, we're going to use Figma's handy search for actions command. You can access this by pressing Command+/ on Mac or Control+ if you're on Windows. This opens up a search bar where you can quickly find any action in Figma, from layering to launching plugins. It might seem like a small step, but getting familiar with this shortcut can save you a ton of time in your day-to-day workflow. Now, once that command palette pops up, type in plugins and widgets. This area is basically Figma's own app store, packed with tools that can extend what Figma does out of the box. We'll be using this to find the exact plugin that hosts free icons. In the search field, type Material Icons. Material Icons is one of the most comprehensive and widely trusted icon sets out there, and the best part. It's free and easily accessible from within Figma. When you see Material Design Icons appear in the suggestions, go ahead and select it. This is a really powerful plugin. It includes thousands of high-quality icons that are ideal for both web and mobile projects. Once you've selected it, click to run and open the plugin. Give it a moment to load. It should open up a new window or sidebar depending on your setup. Don't worry if your computer takes a few seconds, especially if you have lots of plugins installed. It might take a beat to show up. Inside the plugin window, you'll find a search bar at the top. This is where the magic happens. Type social media right into that search field. What you'll notice is an assortment of popular social media icons appears. Think Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and so on. This plugin curates a variety of icon styles too, so you can pick flat, outlined, or filled icons that match your project's vibe. Now here's the best part. All you have to do is drag and drop the icon you want right onto your Figma canvas. It's as simple as picking up a sticker and putting it in your notebook. No more downloading SVGs from random websites or converting files. All of that hassle is gone. The icon is now fully editable within Figma, which means you can change its size, color, or even tweak the vector points if you're feeling creative. And that's it. You've just added a professional, clean, and free social media icon directly into your Figma project in less than a couple of minutes. Super easy, right? This trick honestly saves me so much time whenever I'm working on client designs or mockups that need those familiar social platform symbols. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into any issues with the plugin, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more Figma tips and design tutorials just like this one. See you in the next video.